How to hide your Snapchat story from anyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can hide your Snapchat story from just about anybody on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. It's very easy to hide your Snapchat story from someone else. First of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores and in the search box typing in Snapchat and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you have updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, then you can basically see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is, in order to hide our story from just about anybody, first of all, just tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen, which is a Bitmoji profile, and you can scroll down to the bottom. There are two ways to hide your story from someone. One is that you can actually create a private story by tapping on new story, going to private story, and then you can add only few people whom you want to see your story to, which is basically private. But let's say that you only want to hide it with a specific number of people. Well, that is also indeed possible. For that, you have to tap on those three dots right next to add to my story button over here. As you can see, it's right visible in the vertical dot. Just tap on it and you'll enable all these options. Over here, just go to the option that says story settings. So just go ahead and then tap on it. As you tap on it, you can see who can view my story. You can select everyone, friends only, but since we're learning for custom, then we'll just select the custom person over here, and here we will select a number of people whom we want to show the story to and leave out the rest of the people whom we do not want our story to be seen. Keep in mind that this is the only way to go about it. You cannot separate them, but you can actually leave them out as well. Just go ahead and select a number of people except the people whom you don't want to see your story, or else, as I said, you could go to the private story over here and then you can only add it to your own private story on Snapchat. And hopefully this video helped answer the question as to how you can hide your Snapchat story from anybody. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.